Georgia and Western Railroad vertical lift crosses the Chattahoochee River between Omaha, Georgia, and Alabama, right? So, let me show you something. You see, look at this, right? And so it's being, it was abandoned, right? Left in this raised position. Used to, was door for train traffic, used to be operable, but now it is abandoned and left in the open position. I'm gonna show you the actual bridge. Right? Yeah, you see? Look at it. Yeah. It's a nice view of this railroad vertical lift bridge, right? So, but boats and ships go under there, all the time. So that's why no trains. It's not running anymore, and it's up, like an elevator. Yeah, so this bridge crosses again. It also is the former Seaboard airline railroad. It crosses the Chattahoochee River between Alabama and Omaha, Georgia.